In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an automated email campaign series in your marketing dashboard. We'll walk through the full setup process together, from opening the email campaigns area to activating your automation so it can begin working in the background. This is a great way to save time, stay consistent with your communication, and make sure subscribers or customers receive the right message at the right moment. To begin, open Chrome and sign into your platform. Once you're inside the main dashboard, go to the marketing menu and then select email campaigns. This is the section where you can manage one-time emails as well as automated sequences. If you're new to this area, take a moment to get familiar with the layout before moving on. Next, click Create and then choose Automated Page Series Collection. This option is used to build a sequence of emails that will be triggered automatically based on a specific action. Instead of sending messages manually every time, the system will handle the process for you once everything is configured properly. After that, select your automation trigger type. This is the event that tells the system when to begin the series. For example, you might choose a trigger like subscriber joins list if you want to welcome new signups, or customer makes purchase if you want to follow up after an order. The trigger you choose should match the goal of your campaign, so be clear about the audience and the timing before you continue. Now it's time to design the newsletter email body. This includes building the draft, choosing components, and arranging the overall layout and template structure. As you create the email, keep your content easy to read and visually organized. Make sure the message is aligned with the trigger you selected so the email feels timely and relevant. A clean design and clear copy can make the automation much more effective. Once the email content is ready, set the delivery timing. This is where you decide when the message should be sent after the trigger happens. You can choose to send it immediately or add a delay such as 2 days. Timing matters a lot in automation, so think carefully about when your audience is most likely to engage with the message. Finally, toggle the automation status tracking switch to active. This step turns the automation on and allows the campaign to start running.